Hi guys, this is your boy Martin and welcome to our Tuesday short videos. Of course, I'm rebuilding this beautiful Can-Am Spyder F3 Limited special series for our tour and rental agency that is based in Europe. And today what I will talk about, it's so stupid thing. It's about this top case light. It will fit all F3s with top case like this and all RT20 Plus models. I did talk about it with when I was rebuilding the RT20 Plus, but I have received so many questions if it will fit to the F3, and I have decided to share you a little bit more. So why it is illegal, where it is illegal, 2, how to install it, 3, how it looks without and with the new OEM. This is OEM. This is genuine part. Light, and 4, actually I will tell you what I don't like. Like seriously, I will tell you, like I'm selling something and I will tell you what I might not like. I don't know yet. I don't know if anybody else is doing this. Maybe not, because they went bankrupt, but I'm a different person. Guys, enough of this. First 500 views, no video ads and no bullshit, straight to the point. So Tuesday short videos. Now enough of this. Let's get started. So point 1 and point 4, why it is illegal and what I don't like, might not like actually. Why it is so illegal? Well, this light, it's official BRP Can-Am light. How I do get it, of course, we have it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and it is legal in the US, and correct me if I'm wrong guys, if you buy F3 or RT20 Plus and you have the top case, either you get it automatically when you have limited series, or if you do not have limited series, you can buy it as an add-on, right? You cannot get this light in Europe, you cannot get this light in Australia, and I believe in Asia. Why? Because it's super dangerous. The simple thing is, and it doesn't, like, this light is professionally built, the quality is in there. You have, like, those are the LED lights that are inside, maybe you can see them. And they're also blurred, so they are not harming your eyes at the night or when there is a foggy situation, or you know that. So why it isn't illegal? I'm just thinking that BRP didn't went through a series of tests that can be bloody expensive, and it's just pain in the ass for them to do it. Because they, like, the light is officially okay. What is not okay, it's probably the height and where it is positioned on the bike. So simply you cannot have it. Of course, as I said, MartinTheVlogger has it. I ship worldwide. Now, the question can be, what I will do in case police officer will stop us or whatever. First of all, as I said probably like 20 times, this is OEM light. It will fit perfectly and it looks like it's supposed to be there. So I doubt, I'm not creating a Christmas tree here. I'm just like adding crazy lights. It's just light that it should be there, making you more visible. So that's the first thing. It's very hard to spot. In case somebody will spot, I mean, like, serious, I don't know any police officer stopping you and telling you you have brake light in there, trying to be, not only brake light, because it's a running light as well, trying to be more visible, not harming anyone's eyes, and telling you like you cannot have it and here's the fine. Now, in case you will need to go through the series of checks, like we need to go every 4 years, you simply, like, the installation is 3 minutes, so you just take it out, but I doubt again that anyone will really notice. Now, what I might not like, I just simply don't know, because this is like the bike, it's red with the black matte style, and this black light in there just fits there. It's not light, it's just plastic thing without like LED lights in there. So I don't know if this red one will fit nicely in there. We will see later on, and you can tell me actually if you like it or not. But I want my guests to be visible and safe, so let's install it. I don't know if the installation can be any easier. 2 push pins. By the way, buy the push pin removal tool from our shop, just to be, professional playing around your bike. Unplug the fake light. Undo 2 bolts. take out the light and throw in the new light. Cable back into a not fake light. Back to its place. 2 push pins. And there you go. Now, let me see how it looks. Ah! It really doesn't look that bad. Tell me what you think. Of course, everyone who wants can dime it, like put it into more black version. I will not do it because I want my guests to be as visible as possible. Now, in case you want it, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. So the light is not expensive at all, to my point of view. Also, don't forget to visit just MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest vlog about Can-Am on-road vehicles in the world, period. And in case you want to tour Europe on 3 wheels, on your bike, if you are from Europe and surrounding areas, or you would like to rent one of these, tourson3.com. In 2023, crazy adventures. One of them, Montenegro, Grossglockner, Slovakia, self-guided tours, or tours with me, it's up to you. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, be more visible or not, it's absolutely your call, but always have fun.